What's up guys, it's me Geek. So now how fast is the fingerprint scanner? I didn't set up the fingerprint scanner. Now I'm gonna set up. Go to the setting as you can see, and then go to the security. As you can see, while we are at the security, click the fingerprint ID, fingerprint management. Set the screen first, like 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 is okay. Change the unlock method. Let me just make a pattern. Done. And now let me add a new fingerprint. Let's see how fast is the fingerprint. To be honest with you, it's really very fast. Let me capture a screenshot. It's, to be honest with you, it's really very fast. And let me close the phone. Let me try to open it. I cannot open, you see. I need to use, first I try to open with the pattern. Now again, I could not open it. Now let me open with the fingerprint. 1 2 3. Unable to recognize. Now it's good. Wow, I just pressed the tip of my finger. It's one of the world's fastest. As you can see, I'm not cheating. You can see the light. You can see the light here. You see, I just pressed the tip of my finger. This is one of the world's fastest fingerprint scanner. Period. It was me, Umair. Subscribe. Bye.